Well, Radhika, in an absolutely shocking development, a doctor has been shot dead inside a hospital, and this happened in the Jaipur area of the national capital. In fact, two assailants entered the hospital and they shot a doctor. Absolutely shocking there, and this comes amid the larger outrage over safety of doctors across the country as well.
Absolutely shocking details emerging. Delhi doctor shot dead inside a hospital, done by two unknown assailants. That's the information that we are picking up at this point by way of Delhi cops. Yes, at a time when doctors across the country are seeking for more safety and security as far as several of the resident doctors are concerned. Now, Delhi doctor being shot dead in a hospital. Of course, we're awaiting more details as to what exactly happened, but we believe we have Tanushka with us. Tanushka, a doctor shot inside a hospital in Jaipur area, in fact, killed by two unknown assailants. Take us through the details. What are the cops telling you?
Right, Radhika. So this happened in the Jaipur area in a hospital wherein these two assailants, came into the hospital asking to meet a doctor with respect to getting treatment or getting an appointment. And when they did enter the doctor's cabin is when these two men directly shot at the doctor. The doctor has been identified as a person named Javed. So Dr. Javed was shot at inside the hospital premises. Remember, an attack like this had earlier happened, however, on a patient in GTB hospital in Delhi, and this incident has just happened in the Jaipur area. We are awaiting further details. The Delhi police is carrying on their investigation, is going through the CCTV footage so as to understand better that how did this happen. And of course, this is amid the backdrop of major hue and cry with respect to doctors' safety. Doctors, as we know, have been protesting for a central protection law also to be brought about for their safety, for rules and regulations to be there specifically for their safety. We know that Supreme Court has also been carrying on hearings with respect to this. The National Task Force has also been set up. So this does come in at a time wherein this sort of an incident is definitely horrific, that a doctor has been shot at within the hospital premises.
Absolutely. Tanushka, thanks very much for joining us with the latest there. As Tanushka is reporting, two people entered the hospital, two suspicious men, and they shot the doctor inside his chamber in the hospital. And of course, Radhika, the Jaipur area is a notorious one when it comes to crimes like these, but of course absolutely shocking there. And this, as 3 incidents of firing were reported just last week in Delhi, so the law and order certainly now in focus right ahead of the assembly polls here in Delhi.